Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this Porsche key fob. You need a replacement battery. This takes one of the 2032s. You can get these off Amazon. They're about $1 a piece. And there's a link below in the description. And then I'm also using a very thin flat blade screwdriver. You can use your fingernail if it's long and strong enough, but I am going to use this little tiny flathead screwdriver. And basically the smaller the better. So you want to start, basically this piece right here is going to be coming up. And just kind of take your screwdriver and gently work it in that crease. And then you can bring it up here and then gently remove that. Okay? So now you have access to the battery. You can put your screwdriver right here and pop that old battery out. Take the old battery out, the new battery goes in, positive side facing up. And then put these two halves back together, give it a good squeeze, and you can test it right here. Make sure your red light's running, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.